Hey guys, welcome to Help Screen, and this is how to add or pin this PC on taskbar in Windows. So guys, first thing what you will do is simply go ahead and go to your desktop and right click on it, and then go for new and go for shortcut. Now from here guys, just simply put up this location over here. So guys, I will put this in the description and just simply click on next and provide the name. I will put this PC and click on finish. Now from here, right click on it, go for properties and go ahead and go for the change icon. And now just simply type in over here images.dll and just simply press enter on your keyboard. And now from here, just simply find this PC icon and now click on it and click on OK. And after that, click apply, click OK. Now you can just simply right click on it and go pin to taskbar. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.